Hi guys, let's do this excellence question from integration past paper. I think this is 2014. So the center of mass of an object is called centroid. For a uniformly thin object, the centroid is x bar y bar, where the equation is given for x bar and for y bar. Right? A is the area of the object, and a and b are the lower and upper limits of x respectively. The shape shown shaded in the diagram below is bounded by the part of the curve y is equals to root x plus 1 and the lines x is equals to 0 to 4 and y is equals to 0. Find the centroid of the center of the shape. Alright, so to find the area here, the area of the shaded region, we have to use this curve. Right, so using this curve, if we have y is equals to root x plus 1, right, what we have to do is we need to integrate this for the limit of x, which is 0 to 4, so 0 to 4 dx, right, and this is going to give us the area of this shape. Right, then we substitute this area back into the formula where we have a's, because that is the areas, and then integrate it again to find the centroids or the coordinate of the centroid. Right, so let's get started. So we have 0 to 4 root means x to the power of half plus 1 dx, and this is giving us area. Right, so that is now going to be, so x to the power half plus 1 is 3 over 2, so x 3 over 2 over 3 over 2 plus x from limit 0 to 4. Now we substitute the values in here. So first we put 4 3 over 2 over 3 over 2 plus 4, and when we put 0 it's going to be 0. Right, now just solve this. So 3 over 2 can become 2 over 3 times 4 to the power of, so root of 4, that's easier. First do the root. Root of 4 is 2, 2 cube is 8 plus 4. Right, so that will give us now 16 over 3 plus 4, which is going to be 16 plus 12 over 3. You can use your calculator straight away if you want. 28 over 3. So A is 28 over 3. Now we use the formula for x bar. Right, so x bar is 1 over a. So if a is this, we can say 1 over a will be equals to reciprocal of that, so is 3 over 28. Then we have integration a to b again. A is 0, b is 4, x fx dx. Integration 0 to 4 x. Fx is the y value and y was root x plus 1. Yes, dx. All right, so now that is going to give us 3 over 28 integration. Let's expand the bracket first. So that's going to give x 3 over 2 plus x dx. And now we are going to integrate that. X 5 over 2 over 5 over 2 plus x square over 2. 0 to 4. 3 over 28. Now here when we put the value 4, it's going to be 4 5 over 2, 5 over 2 plus 4 square over 2, and 0. If we substitute 0, it's going to give us 0. All right, 3 over 28. Let's simplify that. So this is going to become 2 over 5 times, again I'm going to do the square root first. So that's 2, and 2 to the power 5 is going to give us 2 to the 4, 8. 8 times 2 is 16. 16 times 2 is 32. plus 16 over 2, 28, 30 to 64 over 5, plus 8, 3 over 28, 5 times 4 is 8 times 5 is 40, so 104 over 5. And now you just multiply that. If you can simplify something, you can simplify. I can think both are even numbers, so I can do it that way. 14 times 3 is 52. No, that's 42. All right, so it still stays 14. Leave it 14. I cannot simplify further, so now multiply. That's gonna give me 1, 5, 6 over 70. They are still can be divisible by 35 and 2, 7, 14, 78 over 35, and I cannot think of anything else. All right, so answer is 78 over 35. All right, you can use your calculators and make it simpler. I just hate calculators. I don't know why I hate leaving my question and getting a calculator. So I try and do it as much I can do. All right, now y bar is equals to, again, we have this 1 over a to b, fx whole square over 2, 1, let's do it on the next page. 1 over a is 3 over 28 again. Integration, it was fx whole square, so that is root x plus 1 whole square over 2 dx, right? Let's just quickly go back and check if I have done it right. Fx square over 2, yep, 0 to 4, yes, 0 to 4. All right, let's integrate that. 3 over 28, 0 to 4, expand the bracket, that's going to give me x plus 2 root x plus 1 over 2. Remember, I keep saying a plus b whole square. Use the binomial expansion, use the identity a square plus 2ab plus b square. So that's what I have used, and dx. 3 over 28. Now let's integrate it. 2 is a constant. We can take it out if we want. Let's take it out so it's easier for us to integrate. So I've taken it out now. I am left with x squared over 2 after integration plus 2x3 over 2 over 3 over 2 plus x 0 to 4. Now here I have 3 over 56. X is 4, so it's going to be 4 squared over 2 plus 2, 4 times 3 over 2, 3 over 2 plus 4, 0, we have used it, and when you put 0, it's going to give us 0. So 3 over 56, now that becomes 16 divided by 2 is 8, plus 4, and when you do root, it's going to give us 2. That's going to give us 8. 2 cube is 8. 8 times 2 is 16. 2 over 3 times 16 plus 4. 3 over 56. 8 plus 16 times 2 is 32 over 3 plus 4. 3 over 56. Make the denominator common. That will give us 24 plus 32 plus 12. Now you do the additions. 3 over 56. Okay, 2, 4, and 8. 1, 3, and 4. 6 over 3. 3 and 3 can cancel. This is an even number, so that will give me, if I'm dividing 28, this will give me 34, still even, 14, 1, 7, yep, 17 over 14 is your y bar. Cool. So the centroid x bar y bar is equals to, so x bar we found earlier was 78 over 35 and y is 17 over 14. Cool, that's your answer. You can leave it in decimals. You do not have to do this whole fraction things, right? You can use your calculator earlier and just find the answers in decimals. Cool. I hope this makes sense. Have a good day.